Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to the end of the traditional market trading week. Not that means anything to any of us crypto guys, but yeah, happy Friday, everybody. This is our Bitcoin morning update. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over to those. Well, this is the DXY chart. Straight over to that DXY chart. Apparently, yeah, we'll start with this. Just very briefly, as you can see, looking bearish. It's got to break back above this trend line, try and break back above this horizontal, and then try and make moves to the upside up to at least this level initially, before I pull back and a bounce here. Or if that doesn't happen, the most likely scenario, which is more likely than what I just said, is that we are going to break this level and come down, get that 91 handle, that incredible 91 handle in the DXY. Yes, a point that we've only seen once here, and I don't know how long I'm gonna have to scroll. Wait, we'll just go to the daily real quick. That's an easy way of doing it, isn't it? A 91 handle that we have only seen well, yeah, since 2018. The end of 2000, sorry, the start of 2018. And what happened when we had this move down here at the end of 2017? What happened to Bitcoin? Quick pop quiz here. What happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin went to its ridiculous at the time all-time highs. So are we just witnessing the same thing? The dollar coming down like this, Bitcoin basically going to go back to its ridiculous all-time highs and beyond now, clearly, because we've got a new level. Are we? Is that going to happen? We shall all find out together. So DXY, there you go. That's basically what DXY is telling you. It's telling you if we do come down to here, if we do come low, look what happened last time to the Bitcoin price. So yeah, that is it. That's all we need to look at really on the DXY real quick there. You can see looking bearish AF. It's got a lot of work to do if it wants to try and turn this around and go bullish. It can do that. Every trading statistic, something can happen in the market. But statistically, chart-wise, it is looking like we're just going to break down. So we'll find out. We will find out together what happens there. So now over to actual Bitcoin. So on the daily, as you can see, we have traded over, taken out. I'm pretty much trading at the high of the previous, basically the daily 9 candle yesterday. That is, as you guys will know, my trigger. For we will then actually see more upside, and this 9 is invalid. It is early days though. We're only up there now, and we're basically at it at about. So if we do trade down from here, trade sideways, I mean, or even potentially down, that can still happen. It's still early days. This candle is not closed. Obviously, it has 14 hours left of a 24-hour candle. So, yeah, I mean, when I talk about where the candle is, it's kind of like it's a close that is important. We're looking at daily candles, so we need to see the daily close, and we're not even halfway through this daily. So, but yeah, if we do close above this high, it would very likely trigger the move to up to here. If we don't, if this is just at the moment, we're just in a bit of a wick up fake out that we're currently in at the moment, which is currently making the chart look very good. But we close down here or anywhere else below here, below this high, then yeah, it could look like we are going to see an actual play out of this 9. But if we close above, then that is not as likely. So over to the 4 hour. 4 hour, as you can see, like we're talking about down here, breakout, back test, pump, breakout, back test. I mean, then we pumped up again, back tested. So if we take this in isolation here, back test, pump, we're back above this high. So we are looking good. We are looking relatively good here. We are looking like, I mean, we've obviously destroyed this descending triangle again, so I will actually get rid of that now, seeing as it is just not working. That's the thing, when you're putting formations prematurely, I mean, you are just saying what could happen, and it's not necessarily going to be what happens, but it does look like we have a shot of taking out this level, and if we take out that level again, more confirmation that we're going to come up to here. Obviously, taking out this high was good. Take out this high was good. It will look good. The other option is that we just trade inside this box, inside this range here for a little bit longer, and then either mount a move up, which will probably coincide with a drop down into the 91 handle DXY, or we could just have some weakness in stock markets, a bit of strength in DXY, or even a bit of sideways in DXY, but basically some people decide they want to take profits in Bitcoin up here, and then we do drop below. But at some point we will get a big move down at some point. I mean, even like this one here, this one was incidentally on a daily 9, was 16k all the way down to not far off 14k, and obviously 16k is a slightly smaller number than 18k, so yeah, slightly bigger range would be equivalent to that move there. So yeah, that is Bitcoin. We will have a look at the stochastics real quick. There's not a lot much else for me to say. Wrap that up pretty quickly. Stochastics to Ys are obviously going to maybe shorter time frames are going to be turning up. I mean, literally like this 4 hour is, because obviously we pump back up again. So 4 hour looking like it's just had a bullish reset, but I'm not too sure these are going to be turning up yet. I mean, 10 hour not turning up yet, but threatening to turn up. 12 hour though still down. Daily's up there. These can stay jammed up here for a while. Daily up there though, looking to turn back up. 2 days still pointing back up. 3 days up there, 5, and obviously everything else is looking good. So at the moment, I would say stochastically wise for Bitcoin, it's kind of looking overall just a bit neutral. So I really would look for Bitcoin's direction based on where this goes. If we come down here, then yeah, clearly, I mean, maybe I was a bit premature saying down here 20k plus, but I said 20k plus Bitcoin anyway. So, I mean, we can be like down here and be 30k and I'm still correct. But, I mean, if we get down to here now, with this little move down and potentially wick and break below here, that could be very easily 20k Bitcoin. I mean, we're doing like, we are able to do 1k moves in the course of a day. So, we're less than 2k away from it, aren't we? So, let's face it, it is very possible. But yeah, like I said, Bitcoin itself looking relatively toppy, so it needs some more DXY stimulus, some DXY impetus. So yeah, Ethereum also, let's have a look at that. Ethereum, there we go, look at that. We pretty much basically, we touched $500 Ethereum. What a benchmark. It's good to see Ethereum getting going. And let's have a look at the BTC pairing. You can see it's a little bounce here. It is nothing spectacular at all, nothing to write home about, no trend change, no nothing at the moment. Just maybe it's the green shoots if you're from the UK. You may remember that term from back in the day. I think it was Gordon Brown. But yeah, green shoots. Maybe we're getting some green shoots of recovery here. And yeah, maybe this will trend will change. Here is the DXY. I mean, bull flag still just playing out a bit longer. I mean, maybe this is just going to be a bit more of a descending channel and then break to the upside. Or maybe this is going to come down and actually has put in a top here, but we'll have to watch. But you guys know there's certain altcoins that I like and a lot of altcoins that I don't like. And a lot of the altcoins that I don't like do have large market caps, so they are a drag on this. So it isn't to say there aren't opportunities in certain altcoins and not others, even if this does go up or trade sideways. So I will just caveat the direction of the BTCD chart with that. But yeah, that is it, guys. Yeah, big happy Friday, big day. Obviously, remember, Friday means it's the weekend, which means potentially expect sideways action or maybe a liquidity hunt to the upside. But I wouldn't necessarily, the least likely option for me over this weekend would be a slam down. It would either be a slam up or sideways. But we've got this whole trading day to get through first. Don't forget, we're on a daily 9. That could basically, sorry, we're not on a daily 9. We've had the daily 9, and obviously where this candle closes is important with respect to this, because we are at a club point where if we close higher than that, it does look like bullish continuation and invalidating this TD9. So yeah, be aware of that. And obviously the weekly 9 is coming up in a couple of days, obviously next week. And we spoke about the 5-day 9 that we're currently on. But there we go, guys. So remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do all your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.